Welcome ladies and gentlemen. In this video I want to help someone asked me how to clip the some or just to remove some part of video while you are editing your video in CapCut. So what you do first of all, as usual, just to import the video that you want to edit. Do you see, for example, this one? I can just open this one. You select and click open. Yes, after importing your video, now you have to drag it in this bar so that you can start editing your video, like clipping your video, removing some parts of video, things like that. So what you do, for example, if you want to clip, for example, you want to remove this part from here to here. You see, from here to here, right, in this range. So what you should do is just to put this bar here where you want to split your video. Then you click on this one, split. Do you see? You click on it. Now as you see, there are now two parts. I just split my video into two parts. Do you see? Like this one. Then you need also to come and click also for right side where you want to split, so that you can just delete this intermediate part of your video. Do you see? Then also you click on this split. As you see, now I have 3 parts in one video. Do you see? 3 parts, and I want to delete this one. So I just select it and click delete, and automatically it will be deleted, so that you can see that this is like one video, but I deleted some part. So this is how you can use this clip or just split to make your video attractive. So thank you. See you in the next lesson. If you also have any question about digital skills, how to use different Microsoft applications, how to use this CapCut while you are editing a video, and others, also you may ask your question in the comment section. So see you in the next lesson.